You can use the inflation kit to repair a damaged tire, as long as any punctures are not on the sidewall and do not exceed 4 mm. Before carrying out the repair, park your vehicle away from traffic, turn on your hazard warning lights and remember to apply your parking brake. If parking at the roadside, remember to warn other road users of your presence with the warning triangle. The inflation kit is located in your vehicle's boot. First, connect the compressor pipe to the bottle. Depending on the vehicle, connect or screw the bottle onto the compressor. Next, connect the inflation bottle connector to the valve on the wheel. Then plug the electric power lead into the accessory socket. Turn the engine on, then start the compressor to achieve the required pressure. Check the tire pressure guide on the door frame if necessary. If the minimum pressure fails to reach 1.8 bar after 15 minutes, a repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. If, on the other hand, the recommended pressure has been exceeded, press this button to reduce it. When the repair is done, drive for about 2 miles, 3 kilometers, at below 35 miles per hour, 60 kilometers per hour, in order to distribute the product uniformly in the tire, then stop and check the pressure. Please note that tire pressures should only be checked when tires are cold. If the pressure is higher than 1.3 bar but lower than recommended, readjust it with the inflation kit. If the pressure is below 1.3 bar, this means that a repair is not possible. In this case, contact a brand representative. Lastly, remember that this repair is only temporary and you must not exceed 50 miles per hour, 80 kilometers per hour, or drive further than 124 miles, 200 kilometers. It is essential to have your tire repaired or replaced by a professional as soon as possible.